I'll give you a great example. One of the red tapes or multiple red tapes inside Nashville is there's historic overlays, okay? So there are certain areas where you have very specific regulations on how high you can build. You have very specific regulations on how far you can go back into the property. So it may be only 2 times the original footprint of the house, which is interesting. There are certain areas where you don't have those restrictions and you can build out. But if you are in a historic overlay, like some of these parts in East Nashville, and then a really popular part of Nashville called 12 South, you basically have to design a home that stretches out throughout the property and add a DADU in the back to add square footage, right? But if we don't get the plans done in time, historic only meets once a month. So that means the person has to get the plans done, and if we miss that point, it's the next month and the next month and the next month. And to your point, if you have a loan outstanding and you closed already on the property, and now we're waiting 2.5 to 3 months, and I'm saying this with other general contractors as well, right? If we're waiting 2.5 to 3 months to start the process, you're already 4 months into your loan. Maybe we build out, well, we build out incredibly quickly, but if you're dealing with somebody else, maybe they build out over 6 or 7 months. And then if you have a 12-month loan, you're sitting on 2 months to sell that house. And you're paying interest along the way the whole time, which you weren't kind of expecting when you went into this, right?